Hi guys, I'm here to do a video on how to tune up your Zippo. This is my lovely wife Amy's Zippo there. She carries with her every day. She uses her lights or smokes. Right now it's not working too well. The wick is all carboned up, it's pretty black, so I'm going to show you how to put a new wick and a new flint in and refill it. Get started by opening up the top, taking your centerpiece out. I like to use scissors, but you can use anything else, screwdriver. Turn your little thumb wheel down here counterclockwise to take the flint out. Remove your spring. Flint just drops down. Remove your felt pad. Start by taking all the little rayon balls out, little pieces, just like that. There. As you can see, the old wick, it's been turned a couple of times, really carboned up at the top, not getting a good flame. So we're going to put a new Zippo wick in. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's hard to get open. There's the new wick. There's the old wick. As you can see, it's been cut a couple of times for reuse. Try to get the loose ends all nice and tight so you can fish it down from the top. Take the scissors and slowly pull her in. Now you want to take it down, bring it in until it's level with the top of the chimney, just like that. Just kind of hold it there with your thumb. Now you want to have your wick out, you want to bend it from coming straight, you want to go over towards your cam on this side, bend it down inside there with the tube. Use your scissors, push it down, take one of your little rayon balls, shove it in, pack it in nice and tight. Now take your wick, wrap it around over top of the rayon ball, with your scissors, so it's like that. Take another piece of rayon ball, pack it in nice and tight, pack it in, pack it. Take your wick, run your wick back, the other way, in through. Now what this does, this gets your wick all nice and saturated with the rayon balls throughout the whole piece of your Zippo. Now, you can take and put the rayon balls back in. There, get the rayon balls all back in and situated. It's time to put her back together. We're using the Zippo flints, come in a 6-pack. Get them at the local convenience store or your neighborhood smoke shop. Take your flint, you drop it down the barrel tube right there, as you can see right there, and after you drop that in, take your felt, put your felt back over the top, put your spring and your thumb wheel back in, tighten it right up. Take your scissors if you want to put a little extra bit of tightness so she don't rattle loose on that, you can. Now, we can take our Zippo fluid, fill it up. Oh, I forgot, when you put your new wick in, you gotta bring it and try to get it in the center of the chimney and about flush, almost flush with it, for it to work pretty good, for it to nice windproof flame. Yeah, we're gonna take our Zippo fluid, and it's nice when you got something underneath of it there that can't get ruined, like a plate or anything at all, that just protects the finish of your table, just in case of some drippage like that. And you're going to take your Zippo and slide it back down in. Now, have to get a rag or wipe the Zippo off so we don't catch on fire. Wipe it all down thoroughly. Close this, get away from here. And with any luck, she should light on the first light. Look at there. She works good. Yeah, see it lighting something. See if it passes the test. Lighting the cigarette. She passes the test. Anyways, that is my version on how to tune up a Zippo. Thank you for watching. Hope this was good information to you. Thank you. Bye.